Okay, then just a very quick follow-up question to the video we did that said, what data do we use to determine a sentiment shift in the overall risk tone? Now, what we look for, we mentioned, is overall equities, commodities, bond prices, currencies, etc. And what Adam is asking is, which free websites can we use to get this information? Now, there is one website that has most of that information that we do personally use as well, is investing.com. What's great about investing.com is you can create a very own profile for yourself. And in that profile, you can have various portfolios that you build up to view certain type of asset classes. Now, for me, you can see I've divided it up into equities, commodities, volatility, bonds, spreads, as well as currencies. Looking at equities, this is all futures markets. So this looks at both the Asian as well as European and US futures markets at a glance. Then we also have commodities, where we can watch that as a glance as well, whether it's copper, oil, silver, gold, etc. We also have volatility, where I'm looking at the VIX, the TYVIX, as well as the OVX and GVZ, which is gold volatility, oil volatility, bond volatility, and the VIX futures. Then at bonds, we also have all of the normal bonds that we have on the TradingView charts as well. In terms of spreads, the ones that I like to look at is the LQD. These are ETFs, LQD and HYG. Now, LQD is the investment grade corporate bonds, and then the HYG is the high yield corporate bonds. So also look at those two. And then the currency one, basically set it up the exact same way we've set up Reuters with the base currencies at the start, which basically gives us a very quick view to see whether a particular currency is either weak across the board, like we can see the CAD, or strong across the board, like we can see the Aussie dollar as an example. So that is a free site that we use that has most of the information that we're looking at. So I hope that can help you out there, Adam.